We're gonna do a little bit of a maintenance today on the ZOOZEE robot. It has been crawling under my bed and under a lot of places, so I'm gonna clean it. I got a kit for that. It's available on Amazon. This is the Z50C. It's specifically designed for the ZOOZEE. I'm gonna take the brushes and everything out, clean these things, put the new ones in, filters and everything that I need, and then have this ready for the next time I have to do this. Now, what's in the kit? This is the kit that you get. It's not expensive, and it has everything that you need in it. New brushes, 8. You have brushes forever, basically. Look how many brushes you get in this kit. Also, you get a bunch of filters, so 3 filters. You get this little door over here that holds everything into place. You get another rolling brush, and then you get this brush, which I did not have in the original kit. One thing that I want to mention, this fluffy roller, it's only compatible with the cover that doesn't have the steel on it. So very, very important, this roller, it's only compatible with this cover that doesn't have the steel through it. This is the original cover that has a steel through it, so just keep that in mind. To service it is really, really easy. This one comes off. If it's damaged, it can be replaced. As I said, you're getting a new one. This is the stuff that got stuck into this brush, so we're gonna clean this one out. As you can see, I have a dog, so there's stuff that was gonna get stuck into it. We're gonna take this off, clean this one later on. Obviously, here's more hair that got stuck into it. It's recommended to remove the tank when you do this.
Dustbin removed.
Also, this is the original brush, comes off. So these are the old ones. Also, they have hair stuck here around here, so you might want to clean that too. Right now, I'm gonna give it a really, really nice wipe with a paper towel. And then once it looks nice and clean, then we're gonna start installing the new stuff in. Because it lives under my bed, it was embarrassing how dirty it was before because I don't see it. It comes out, it cleans the house, it goes back in. So I don't really see it except when I remove the tank. And I don't really look at it very much when it's under the bed. But look, I clean it really nice on both sides. Now it's ready to install the new brushes. So brand new brush. There is a right and there is a left. It says left over here. This one goes on the left side. There's a left and a right. We're gonna install a new brush right now. So this is the new brush that's gonna go in. And then we're gonna install this new door. So that's gonna give us a chance to clean up the other door. And now we're ready to replace the filter. So this is the filter. This is the old one. As you can see, it's ugly and dirty. You get a brand new filter in the box. Huge difference between the old and the new. Check this out. Simple installation, just put it in. And you're good to go. Reservoir goes back into the robot.
Dustbin in position.
We're ready to go cleaning. So if you're in the market for one of these, definitely a nice surprise. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.